get you off your pivot when they see you on the rise. Baby mama say I don't do my part to lie. And all my friends are dead, shout out Uzi, free the guys. Yeah, I look like but I'm heavy. I got peas, I got
What's up, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. Today we have the Nike Zoom Kobe 5 Pro Tro Year of the Mamba Eggplant. That's a long name, but that's what it's called. This is the size tag. It reads eggplant, black, metallic gold. As you can see, like the box has like this snake skin. Yeah. This is the paper that it comes in. It's got that snake skin again, and then just the little symbols on it. It comes with this bag. I like the bag. I like the material. It's nice. It's the bag. Open it up. Double wrapped. This is what they look like. As you can see, it definitely has that eggplant color. It's like an iridescent purple. Synthetic uppers. Synthetic all around the shoe. As you can see, we have a golden, like a sparkly golden snake that wraps around the swoosh. We have a black midsole. I think they said that the midsole is made different. It's not the Phylon material. It's like a cushion material on the midsole. We have a translucent bottom with the mamba on the bottom. And then, as you can see, the shoestrings. As you can see, it's like a tighter fit on the shoe with the way it's made. Yeah. These are cool. Not a big fan of the way they look, to be honest. But it's supposed to like bring in the Lunar New Year. You got the sparkles, the serpent, Year of the Mamba. But I'm just not a big fan of the way they look. But I could see if you're a big Kobe fan, you will want to collect all of these. So I definitely say if you're a Kobe fan, collect them. Oh, forgot a couple details. It's like snakeskin material. Well, not material, but like design on the back of the shoe. And then on the inside, it has like these letters with symbols on it. Take the paper out real quick. It's a real tight fit. Like, it has a number 8 on the inside, Kobe's original number. Also has a 24. What else? I'm trying to see if they got some writing on there. No writing. Yeah. I like that they put a lot of detail into the shoe. However, like the overall look of the shoe, I'm not a big fan of. To be honest, I'm just not. I understand it's a basketball shoe. I just don't see somebody wearing this on the court for real. But I'm pretty sure real hoopers would wear this. But they did come out today. Today is January 9th. So, like I said, if you're a big Kobe fan, I definitely would cop these. But as far as like in terms of the aesthetic, I'm just not a big fan of it. I do like that they put a lot of detail into the shoe. So I do like that. Now, this part of the video is the on-foot video. Oh, you a walking bucket? Alright, y'all, as you see, we got these Kobe 5s on. When you put these shoes on, you got to stand on business. You got to drop about 30 to 50 points. You got to get buckets. If you be smoking layups, missing shots, hell, losing the ball, turning it over, this not the shoe for you. But if you really like that like Kobe was, this the shoe for you. You got to put these shoes on. And you not passing the ball. This the shoe that you ball hogging. Like, you really got to show these people that you like that for real. Also, before we close out this video, be on the lookout for the Black Metallic 5 video that is coming out soon. So just be on the lookout for that. Got a grade school pair right here. And then I have a toddler pair. This is what the toddlers look like. These are releasing February 8th. What you say? These are releasing February 8th, full family sizing. So I will be doing a review on grade school and men. I'm probably not gonna do the toddler, not sure, but I'm just showing y'all. And then I also am gonna do an on-foot video and put that in the video as well. But like I said, Kobe 5s. You're the Mamba. If you're a big Kobe fan, I say this is a definite must cop. But as far as the aesthetics, I'm just not a big fan of it. I'm going to pass on them. But they did come out January 9th. So just be on the lookout for those if you like these shoes. Also, we still are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So make sure y'all keep subscribing, keep sharing our videos, and just keep giving me feedback. But this concludes the video. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
When you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me